Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you how to make this homemade chicken salami. Try this simple recipe to surprise your loved one. People of all age groups will love it. Making salami with only chicken gives us slices of protein loads that are perfect to be used as cold cut, lunch meat, cocktail snacks, or as add-on on salad. I mean, it's just chicken that's already cooked, but it's very easy to use, especially if you're in a rush. Clean and cut the breast chicken in small pieces. Here I'm using organic chicken. Very important to know. Once your hands come in contact with chicken juice, they can quickly cross-contaminate anything you touch. So take an extra care not to touch any surface after handling raw chicken, and if you do, be sure to wipe them down afterwards. A technique that can help is to practice handling chicken using only one hand. That way, the other hand is free to grab the salt shaker or turn on the water when needed. Put the chicken in a blender or food processor and then set aside. Now it's time to prepare the seasoning. All the ingredients will be listed down below the video in the description box. But you can change the spices, this is up to you. Add the spices to the cold water and mix well until all the spices dissolve. Add the water mixture to the chicken and blend until you have a smooth paste. You can also use ground chicken. In this case, all you have to do is to put the chicken and the water in the bowl of the stand mixer and use the dough attachment. This is how the dough should look like. Now we are going to start the cooking process. You will need to use a cup that is dishwasher safe with straight side. Oil the inside of the cup with some vegetable oil, just a small amount to help with the easy release of the salami later. Add the chicken mixture to the cup a little bit at a time. Using a spoon, try to press it down and release all the air. If Amazon delivered to your country, there is even an easier way to do it, is to use a ham maker, as it has a pressure plate with spring that can help with the pressure to avoid the air inside the meat. I will link it down below the video in case you're interested. Here I'm trying to get rid of the air inside the chicken. As you can see, I filled the cup all the way to the top with the chicken mixture. And I used a parchment paper to cover it and also to help me make the pressure. Now it's time to cook. So I put the cup in the pot and then cover it with water. Let it simmer for 2 hours at 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Then let it cool down completely before remove the cup from the water. Transfer the salami to a Ziploc bag and store it in the fridge for a few hours. You can also freeze it for an hour before slicing. Ta-da! Yummy salami is ready! Slice it up and serve it as it is, or with your choice of dip or salad. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.